Edward, I'm now the Group Chief Product and Technology Officer at InTrade. Well, we've been a Qlik OEM partner for many years, and we've built a lot of our capabilities. We are an information business, so Qlik, being a great information tool, has been very important in our skill set and in our resources that we use to do our business. Qlik's quite progressive in terms of using new ways to look at data and AI to help take businesses like ours forward. So we try to be present in these events to make sure we can consume those features and deliver that benefit to our customers. Also, the international Qlik community is forward-thinking, so it tends to take your thinking forward and help you plan what's next in terms of our own stack. We build some of our own products as well, so Qlik integrated with our product stack helps us sort of have a competitive advantage. Well, I could probably simplify it by saying it's an information for growth business. We work not just in South Africa, we work in 24 African countries with aspirations to be in 30 by the end of next year. And we collect, manage and process information for our customers, who are typically FMCG brands. And we've built a lot of our own technology to manage workforces and people in Africa, but we've also built a really big practice focusing primarily on Qlik analytics that takes analytics about trade and about trade marketing into Africa to help our customers do their business. Well, I think it's a great question, because Africa presents a new opportunity, which is that AI can advance things a lot further, but it can also simplify difficult things. So I think the opportunity for Africa specifically, where we operate most, is the ability for unskilled users to consume data better, to be able to do their work. There's a real vacancy of strong middle management throughout Africa that doesn't have data competency and data skill. And I think the ability to do that with AI brings down the access to valuable data sets for guys to be able to do their business in Africa. So we thought we were only going to build AI products within our products, but as soon as we realized how transformative it actually is, we began to build a digital workforce around our own people to augment the work that we're doing with AI. So I would say that the transformation of AI in our business is holistic. It's not just the products we're building, but it's actually the way we're training our people. So our ambition is that every person in our business actually has a digital agent by the end of next year and is able to assist them with their work, so that if they leave, somebody else can do it, but also that takes the administrative burden and the things that AI does so easily away from them. We've got people focusing on working with people, getting AI focused on doing the paperwork and thinking hard about the data. And then as an overarching idea, it's about getting more data to more people, distributing that in something where people don't have to be skilled to consume it. They can ask a question and get an answer. And I think that's the opportunity for skilled and unskilled workforces in Africa.